Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here once again. This video is in response to a question asked by one of our viewers. What is credit disbursal? Credit disbursal or credit disbursement. Credit is the amount that you get by way of loan. So you go to somebody and tell him, I want loan. And that person gives you the money. That is the credit. Your loan. You've taken the money on credit, so that amount itself is called the credit. And disbursal or disbursement means actual payout that you're seeing in the video, earlier video. Since we're talking about credit disbursement, I just want to give you some idea about what it is all about. The disbursement, we know, there are lots of different kinds of disbursements. Credits, there are again different kinds of credits, like you have the credit to the farmer's credit or farm loans, you have the industrial credit, you have the personal loans, you have white good loans, you have home loans, different kinds of loans. And when you take the money from the bank, they give you the credit. That is the loan, actual amount of loan that you get. Now you have to be eligible for that. Different banks have got different criteria, but there is a general idea about who is really eligible. That is fixed for most of the banks, and every other bank has their own individual sets of sub-criteria that you have to fulfill. And normally what happens is, suppose you ask for, say, 5 lakh rupees loan. Then they're going to deduct some amount from that loan. Those amounts could be processing fees or file charges, the service tax, GST in India now, goods and services tax. Some banks also reduce from the loan an amount of the first EMI, the equal monthly installments. The first EMI will be deducted by the bank before paying you the amount. So the amount will be net of these charges. Net off means the total amount is the gross amount, 5 lakh rupees in our case. They'll deduct the EMI and the other charges. What you get after the deduction, that's the net amount. So we say the actual loan disbursed to you will be net of these charges. But you have to pay the entire amount back along with interest. And they'll give you what's known as an amortization schedule or an EMI schedule. And they also have some conditions on prepaying the loan. So if the loan is, let's say, for 5 years, you can pay the loan back after 3 years entirely. And they're going to charge you some interest on that, on the balance of amount that is being paid completely, because they lose the interest on that. So they'll charge you, that's something like 3 to 5%, depends on the bank again. These are some of the conditions for loans that you take for the credit being disbursed by banks. Other agencies have got their own conditions. You got to ask them for the detail, but yeah, therefore credit disbursal actually means the amount of loan that the lender gives to the borrower, the actual disbursement. What happens is, in some cases, they will sanction the loan, but they won't disburse it. So you apply for the loan, bank says, yes, sanctioned, but it'll be kept with them. And then you issue a check and they will pay the amount. That is the actual disbursal. So you will be charged interest on the actual disbursal in some cases. Some people also charge the actual amount set aside by them in your favor. I hope this answers your question about credit disbursal or credit disbursement. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.